to Infinite Auto Sales, guys. Today, you join me in the 2021 Porsche 992 Turbo S. So we've got some stuff to go over with you because you guys have been killing us about hearing this thing now that we finally got the catless bypass pipes on this thing from Soul Performance. So we've been back and forth with Hydra Motorworks, our good friends over there, and kind of just, you know, as pieces and parts came in, got them put on. If you guys are familiar with the tuning industry and auto body shops in general, parts are delayed, like delayed on top of delayed. So without further ado, we finally got the parts on, so let's talk about it. So if you guys saw the last video with just the tune only before we put on the catless bypass pipes, this was making 670 horsepower to the wheels. And then by throwing on the pipes, it added roughly 20 more horsepower to the wheels, so we're almost at it's roughly 700 wheel horsepower. Now, the big thing with putting on the catless bypass pipes is that you gain a lot of torque. We gained about 80 pounds of torque, so that's where you really feel the power by putting those on in this car. But what I love about the pipes is that it opens up so much more of a turbo noise. You hear the spooling, you hear the snail, the whining. I mean, it is just phenomenal. In this car, you know, you pretty much can daily this thing. It's a 992 Turbo S. So that's why it's, you know, it's not over the top without having a muffler on there, but it's also like the perfect setup, I think, for this car. So we're gonna cut it on. You guys can get a listen for it, you know, here in the car, but then also we'll have some sound clips outside, so we can really just show you how this sounds and do our best job possible. So we'll start it up in normal, so this is gonna be quiet mode. So right now we're in normal mode. The exhaust valves are closed. So we'll give it a few revs. So this is it's a little louder than stock. Valves closed.